Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair, St. John's, Portland, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right Now Heating and Cooling is the ideal choice if you are looking for trustworthy HVAC contractors within your area. Our experienced team offers services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC industry and can handle the most challenging HVAC problems. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are highly trained in all aspects of the heating and cooling industry. They provide outstanding service that delivers outstanding results, excellent customer service and competitive pricing. Our team is proud to be up to date with all codes and cutting-edge technology in order to keep your family and home healthy. No matter how complicated or huge the task it is, we appreciate doing what we do. This is evident in our high-quality workmanship. From minor repairs to your heating or cooling system to large-scale central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC experts can assist. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the most skilled and most reliable workers in the industry. Your job will be completed properly the first time. Right Now Heating and Cooling hopes to keep our relationship even after the new equipment has been installed. Our regular service is designed to keep your equipment operating at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. Our services include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation and other services. Our goal has always been to offer an affordable price and skilled HVAC technicians. We also stand behind our work with a 100% workmanship guarantee. If you require any heating or cooling issues, or installation services for your home or workplace or business, our HVAC technicians are here to help you. We provide pricing options on every repair/expert, guaranteed workmanship, emergency and weekend services along with warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website, or contact us at 503-300-6124.